Welcome today in front of me VIVO Y33s, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we got the two ways. The first one, they just hold for a while to your screen, and here go to the wallpapers. Here tap to allow, and now you can choose your new lock screen wallpaper from these available wallpapers. And the second way, let's just go to the settings app, and here tap to the lock screen wallpaper section. Now just go here to the wallpaper section, and here, as can you see, we got our default wallpapers, and also on the right upper corner you can tap on this icon and you can choose your wallpaper from your photos on your device. In my case, I have no photos, unfortunately, but you can do that. And for example, just I'll go in with this one, tap here. You can also preview and then just apply, and we wanna set this wallpaper to the lock screen, so tap there, and we got here the message that our wallpaper applied successfully. And now just we'll check that. Yes, as can you see, our wallpaper, home screen wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.